Guys, today I will be showing my way of making cookies and cream mamon. To begin, we're gonna start with making the ganache. This is 150 grams of white chocolate buttons and 80 ml of thickened cream or whipping cream. So we're just gonna give this a mix, and then we're gonna melt this in the microwave for about a minute with 30 seconds interval. So after about a minute, this is what it looks like. Continue mixing and making sure that all the white chocolate buttons is dissolved. Then we're gonna put this in the fridge to thicken up. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare the mamon tin as well. Add a small amount of butter into the mamon tin. Spread it around, especially on the grooves of the tin. This will ensure that the mamon will come out once it's done baking. And also preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We need to prepare 9 to 10 mamon tin. Now for the ingredients, we're gonna need 80 grams of cake flour or 6 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of instant coffee, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 50 ml of water, 1.5 tablespoon of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 80 grams of sugar or 4 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 4 egg yolks. To begin, I'm going to combine the water and the instant coffee. Give it a mix. But this bowl that I'm using is too small, so I'm gonna transfer this into a bigger bowl to accommodate all the water. Set this aside. Next step is to combine the cake flour, the baking powder, salt, and the cocoa powder. Give it a mix and set this aside as well. We're gonna sift this later. Now using a whisk, we're gonna beat the egg yolks, then add the sugar. We're going to continue mixing this until the egg yolk is light pale yellow. Before that, add the vanilla. Just like this. Next is to add the instant coffee mixture, followed by the vegetable oil while whisking continuously. Finally, I'm going to sift the dry ingredients. Mix everything together using the folding method. Set this aside while we move on to the meringue. For the meringue, we're going to need 4 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Beat the egg whites until it is frothy. Then add the cream of tartar. Continue mixing for about a minute. And then gradually add the sugar. Once the sugar is all in, continue beating until we reach the stiff peak stage. And this is the stiff peak stage. Now we're going to combine the meringue and the egg yolk mixture. in 3 additions using the folding method again. Just be careful when you're mixing. Don't overmix or else you're gonna deflate the air from the meringue. So this is the last addition of the egg whites or the meringue. And now we're gonna equally divide this into the prepared tin. So I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of the batter in each tin. All in all, I made 10 mamon out of this batter. And then we will bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. And this is what it looks like after baking. Let it cool down completely before removing it from the mamon tin. Meanwhile, this is 6 pieces of Oreos that I'm gonna put into a plastic bag, and then I'm gonna smash it using a rolling pin. So we get Oreo crumbs. Just like this. Set this aside for a second. The mamon has completely cooled down, and the white chocolate ganache has thickened. Ideally, I want this to be more thicker, but this will do. You can prepare the ganache actually overnight. Like you can make it the night before, I mean. So now I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of the ganache on top of the mamon. And then lightly or gently spread it. Then sprinkle some Oreos on top. Just like this. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try because this is really good. I can guarantee that you're gonna love this. And just to show you what it looks like inside, the ganache is still not set, but I'm showing you now. It will set as it sits at room temperature, so don't worry. This is very light and fluffy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!